Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I want to address an email that I got from the EcoStyler company, and they brought some things to my attention, and I really want to share with you because I really think the information is going to help you on your hair growth journey. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Now last year, I made a video called Why I Stopped Using EcoStyler Gel, and a YouTuber on here actually featured my video in one of her videos, and her name is Bree Hall. Thank you so much. And between my video and her video, there's been many people who have contacted us about their experience while they were using EcoStyler Gel. Now, the company has seen my video. I'm not sure about the other videos, but they did send me a personal email addressing some of the concerns that was brought up in my video. Now, before I move forward with what they were addressing, I want you to know that my channel is here to help people grow amazing hair. If you are somebody who has dealt with hair loss and alopecia, then my heart goes out to you. I've been there, and I don't want you to do anything or experience any more hair loss. So my goal is to provide you with helpful information that is going to help you to make great decisions to help you to grow amazing hair. Now, the video I did last year was basically talking about ingredients that I did research on from multiple sources that have been proven scientifically to have harmful effects on your scalp, your skin, your hair, your body in general. Now, many of you follow me on my journey. You know that I had to cut out a lot of those products filled with chemicals in order to maintain a healthy scalp to get amazing hair growth. Now, you know I suffered with alopecia areata, which is linked to an autoimmune disorder which causes inflammation. Now, a lot of the ingredients in products I was using previously had ingredients that contributed to inflammation. So when I discovered this, when I'm learning all of this great information, and when many of you are contacting me about hair loss and alopecia, my main goal and my heart and my energy is to warn you about things that could potentially cause hair loss and to warn you about how to avoid it if you haven't experienced it, and if you have experienced hair loss, how to maybe, cut certain things out and get your hair growing and stimulated naturally. Now, when it came to my video last year, once again, I was learning about things that you don't want to put on your scalp, you don't want to put on your hair and in your body because they can cause negative effects. This video was not targeting any particular company. It was really making you all know that this was a product I was using personally, and I found ingredients that did not work for me. Now, I had thousands of people contact me and thousands of people who still contact me about their experience using this gel. Now, the company had written to me and they explained that they have done multiple tests to ensure that their product is safe for people to use. What I was saying was, if you are experiencing scalp conditions, irritation, hair loss, anything like that, then these are ingredients you want to look out for, because these are specific reasons why you do not want to put that on your scalp, your hair, and on your body. As a warning, as a whole, I say that if you are using products that are not 100% natural, then there might be an opportunity for you to develop scalp and hair conditions and issues. So once again, my job is to prevent you from having to deal with any of that, because it's just so unnecessary and it's so traumatizing and dramatic. So that was the whole purpose of the video. Now, in their email, they outlined one of the ingredients. I listed a few ingredients. If you go back to my video, there was probably 6 or 7 ingredients. They sent me one ingredient and they told me, well, I'll read exactly what they told me about that one ingredient. In regards to TEA, some TEA can contain nitrosamines, which are known to be carcinogenic. However, we use cosmetic-grade TEA, which has 0 detectable nitrosamines. This cosmetic-grade TEA has been extensively researched, tested, and FDA approved for consumer safety and is widely used throughout the beauty industry. Now, that was the one ingredient that was addressed. They let me know in the email that they will be sending me more ingredients and more of their reasons why it's safe and it's okay. And that's fine. I'm not biased. I do not have that information with me. However, as they send it to me, if you want to know more about their perspective and what they say about those ingredients, you can follow me on this channel, subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook or Instagram, and I will keep you updated as I learn more. So my main goal on here is really to give you helpful information that can help you to be successful in your hair growth journey. It's not to bash anybody or put anybody down. That is not the goal. But from my personal experience, that is why I stopped using that product. That is why I stopped using many products. So if any of you have any questions, or if any of you want to stay informed, feel free to email me. Feel free to leave comments in the comment section below. I am here to help you. I'm here to give you helpful information, and I'm definitely here to support you on your hair growth journey, no matter if you have hair or if you are struggling with hair growth issues. I am here to help you. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. Don't be a stranger. Let's stay connected, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.